Hello and welcome everyone. Today's lesson is about satisfaction. We're going to learn a few expressions that are coming with specific prepositions that you need to know in order to write better and communicate in speaking in more advanced style. The topic is satisfaction. One of those examples you can use: uncomfortable with someone or something. For example, are you comfortable with the decision? I don't feel comfortable with the new manager. You can use this in a positive way: comfortable with someone, being comfortable with someone or something. It is very important to know which preposition you need to use for each of them. The next one is content with something. For example, we're content with our small apartment, or Mr. Johnson was content with our first draft. Next example, delighted with something. We were delighted with her recovery, or they were delighted with their room. It's very important to use the prepositions properly. You can use disappointed in someone or something. For example, the sports fans disappointed in the game, or you seem disappointed in us. The next phrase is discontented with someone or something. For example, are you discontented with your life? Or Dr. Elvin is discontented with the new nurse. The next expression is displeased with something or someone. You are displeased with their attitude. Are you pleased with the result? Are you pleased with the result of the election? The next one is dissatisfied with something or someone. Be careful that the S should be double. Dissatisfied, it has two S's. The guests were dissatisfied with the arrangement, or we hope that you are satisfied with your new blender. The last one is uneasy with something. Uneasy with something. They feel uneasy about the merger, or I was uneasy about going to the board meeting. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram address is IELTSBand9, and my YouTube channel for more lessons is IELTSBand9 with Maria. All the best and see you next time.